Salmia Block 3. 3 or 4. Gars Bilingual School, and then Manora School. But then Sida Jau Al Mawasat Hospital. Okay. Miss Nail in Spa, Dolphin Continental Hotel. This one new. This one new. But then Wapra Real Estate Seaside. But then this one Symphony. Sure. Minaw Mujud Salmia Block 3, Block 4. Block 4, Block 3, tin. Block 10, Block Char. Ela Jaldi Rosita Sawa-sawa Marina Seaside. Okay. Wow, Symphony Hotel. American University of Kuwait. Wow. Then traffic light, this one. But then Pundok Kuwait Palace Hotel. Wow. Oh, too much kadim this one. Very old this one. Hotel suits. See? Shoop. Very old. Bilajat Street, Kuwait City. This pa din Tani. Next this me forget, too much forget me. Sultan Center, too much restaurant. It's American University. What's called now? The Cube, Salmia Block 2. This one right side, Salmia Block 2. Okay. Excite Algani, Wendy, then Ibis Hotel, then Ibis Hotel, then Sultan Center, Sida Jaw, Basuya Sida, but then Sultan Center. Okay, but then H&M, but then before have Max's restaurant, but close, Pilipini famous restaurant, but no, maybe sales little close. Restaurant sales little ano tol close. This one may Arab. This one left side is very cold. Cheap ni. Sultan Center Salmia Block 2. Wow, Sultan Center. Now Sultan Center logo no same. No same. Before same S. But now Sultan Center logo no S. Yes. Problem. Me don't know. Why change Sultan Center logo? Too much question. Huh? See the logo? Okay. Let's go. Sway go. Next Marina. Near Marina. Too much no Marina. Everyone no Marina. Yalla. Let's go Marina. H&M. Before have Max's here, Philippine restaurant, but maybe little sales close. Okay. Rames Shopping Center, but then this one Johnny Rockets. Before this one McDonald's, but now Kalas McDonald's. Mungkin Loser McDonald's. Yes. Before this one Newark McDonald's, same. Rames, but then have new Sky Cinema. Too much new here. That one I don't know, maybe Salmia Block 5, Black Pants there. This one new. Before no, this one Lalal Complex. But this one old, BB Tower old. But then Sara. Sara, this one Sara building. Oh my goodness, Sara Complex. But then it's Sportsman. But then traffic light going Marina. Okay. Yalla Jaw Marina. Sara Complex. Too much Filipino here working. Traffic light. Traffic. Okay. Traffic light. Salmiya, Baden Marina, Al Nasir, Maxes. Oh, here too much shop, left and right. One napar Sawigul, Bulo, Yogo Marina, round Marina. Me have Chokol Mojod round Marina, one shop. That's why me coming here. But then she happy. Okay. Oh, Grand Hyper. This one. Okay. See. Wow. This one Jadid. Okay. Going Marina, left and right shop. Going Old Chok. I don't know this one. Don't know this one. What road this one? Going Marina. Oh, this one old building here. Polo old building. Yes, sir, Yamin. Polo old building. Sure. Oh my goodness. You enjoy ya? You see video? Mungkin you happy? Mungkin you remember your friend? Sabi share video, okay? But then your friend see video, happy also. Okay? Okay, bye. Oh, too much this one. My goodness. Masih also. Al-Sama Pharmacy, Jewelry House, La Jolla, Hills, Free Time, Baden ABK, Baden Arab Restaurant, Casa Cafe, Swan Marina Mall. Okay. Elite Loans, LC Waikiki. Oh, my cup. CMC my cup. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Cari cari padamu, cari padamu. Diceli hetu, ikarukan papate. Oh, Marina Mall. Karadea, Tanggung Baragu. Oh, Marina Mall. Wow, this one too much miss. Maybe you too much miss Marina Mall. Oh, shop. Share. But then happy all. Marina Mall. Okay. But then Miramar Cafe. Inside Miramar Cafe. Crown. See. Oh my goodness. Paul. Morgan Bank. Dadil. Wow, me next time going inside maybe. Only backside, front side only. Mungkin next time may go inside sawa Romini. Okay? I design Times Square, Crown, Parintani, Al Salam Mall. You see you who request me, you give you happy, okay? So you share, okay? You see now Marina Mall. Marina Mall. Next time coming inside No time. Mappy time. Beverly Hills. Going to Marina Mall, but then this one old building also this one. This one me work here before. Agkayan building, KitKat building. This one KitKat building, yes. This one KitKat building. This one, okay. Agkaya, Baden Al Salam Mall. Wow, chop. Finish. Baden Old Sok. Parking lot. Baden Tani Red Tag. Traffic light. ABK, Baden Al Salam Mall. Sidajao, Old Sok. Duwalia Optical Center, Al Murla. Okay. Baden you happy video, you share, okay? Baden all happy. Okay, Yasar Yamin Yasar. Okay, all happy. Okay. Going to Marina, Diva Pharmacy, KitKat building. Then this one going seaside, Al Daknan, Beauty Expert, Al Surhan. This one collated shop maybe. All Care. Oh, but then Best Western Hotel, Pondok. But then Al Salam Mall. Wow, Al Salam Mall. Okay. All Care, but then Union, but then no reading Arabic me. Silver Corner, that way kuno Arabic, no reading me. Okay. But then this one go Red Tag, Old Souk. Okay.